Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I have a 2019 GMC Terrain and I will show you how to reset and clear the TPMS tire light. This video will apply to GMC Terrains made from 2018 all the way up to 2024. Okay, so how this actually works: first you will have to enter the tire learn mode, and once you do that you will need the TPMS tool to be able to program each of the sensors to the vehicle. I will also add, sometimes this is doable even without this tool, but in that case you will have to release the air from each of the tires and hope that will program each of the sensors. Now this sometimes works, sometimes it only works on one or two of the tires, and sometimes it doesn't work. It's really a gamble because it is supposed to be done with the TPMS tool. Now I'm in Canada and you can rent these tools at pretty much almost any tire shop or parts store. I'm not sure how it is in the States, but I believe it should be the same. Your other option is you can always buy a tool like this online. They start from 50 bucks and go up, and then if you have it you can always reuse it on any vehicle you want. Okay, so I will quickly explain how this tool works. So pretty much I have a couple of options here: check sensor or service TPMS. In this case I have to select service TPMS because the first option, check sensor, is used only to check if the sensor is in the tire and how is the battery on it. So service TPMS, and now I have to select make, model and year. So GMC Terrain, mine is 2019, and now I have two options: OBD2 relearn or manual relearn. For the OBD2 you will need the higher end OBD2 scanner, and with the manual relearn I can do it using this tool. So I'm gonna select this, press OK again, and now the tool is ready to learn each of the tire sensors. Now to enter the tire learn mode you will be using these menu buttons on the right side of the steering wheel. So you want to scroll down until you come to tire pressure. Now on my vehicle everything is good, I'm just demonstrating how to do it. And now to enter the tire learn mode you will press and hold this checkmark button for a couple of seconds. You will hear the horn beep twice and tire learning active message will appear. Okay, now you can proceed outside and start learning the sensors. So you always start at the front left. Okay, once first sensor is done you will get all the information here, like the battery status, PSI and things like that, and then press OK and move on to the front right. And you have to do that on all four. Done as well. Okay, now the rear right. And the last one. And once this is done, the horn will beep twice, and that's it. And once you go through all four tires, the value should appear next to this little vehicle here, and everything should be good and your light should be off. Like I said, always go first front left, front right, rear left. Thank you for watching this short video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.